around next to all my vital organs. That cannot be good, to just have smoke just floating around in my body. So I will say this, try something a little bit more natural if you deal with bad anxiety, like ashwagandha, magnesium, D3, these type of things. I'll probably tag something to the screen, maybe a book or something, I don't know. I'll find something to tag to the screen, or some ashwagandha or something like that, and y'all try that out. Maybe that'll help you wing off of it, because I know a lot of y'all be smoking because you have bad anxiety. But you will always need the substance until you deal with the reason why you have the anxiety, why you have the bad thoughts. The weed's not helping, it's just hiding it. Anyways, y'all, it's been your boy Ty Boogie. Make sure you join my Discord down below. Let me know what you think about this topic. Let me know if it helped you. Let me know if it opened up your mind. Have you ever thought about smoking? Have you ever tried to stop smoking and you just couldn't? And have you noticed, man, we don't really hit the same the way it used to? But anyways, y'all, it's been your boy Ty Boogie. Until next time, man, I'm out of here. Peace.
Let's discuss my payment.
That time is past. No 5,000 for you.
The price is 50.
How about your payment is you get to leave?
Not enough.
Now you think you can negotiate with me? I say the word, my nephews go to a certain motel, pay a visit to your daughter-in-law and your little granddaughter. What do you think happens then? Consider your position carefully.
I get my money, or neither of us walk out of here.
You willing to die for this?
Maybe I need the 50,000 more than you do.
You gotta know how to talk to them Salamancas.
Never quitting at the halfway mark. Some people wander through the dark on the path they chart, cutting the corners off, thinking the fast way smart, but pushing through when shit gets slow, that takes heart. Fully committed, giving the proof to critics. I never will lose interest, my fuel's infinite. I line my shots up, then swing, use them physics, keep it rolling on the green, through the grooves and divots. Now we rolling all the green, get it? On par with the pros. Parameters will expand, so the farther I go, the larger it grows. I reach for the quill, draw the bow, bullseye, any target I chose. Come on. Woke up this morning, I chose to go get it. Look in the mirror, I see a pro in it. Look at the future, I see there's no limit. Y'all just have been it, I want the whole damn lane. Yeah.
Alright. So, we're gonna stop the Rumble video because, you know, I forgot to do something what I was supposed to do with Rumble, so Rumble might be giving me some problems. But I'm gonna get up out of there. Alright. Boom. There we go. Rumble don't need no exit or outro. You know, you just stop the video on Rumble. So, you ain't got to do all that extra-ish. So, when we come back over there, they'll get the rest of their product. But for y'all already know what we finna do. Yeah. We finna go to the tits. To the tit. Y'all like that? It's like there's a fat one. Speaking of some fat ones, shout out to the Bear Miller Auto Army. These are all double grape that are in the pots. Then in the cloner, we got Blue Banner OG. That's why I said I ain't worried about them, because if they make it, they make it. If they don't want to make it, they ain't fighting for me right now. If they ain't fighting for me right now, fuck them genetics. But that happens. You did, but let's see what we got popping today. Tint 2. We'll just go here. That's the Vivo Sun with that right there grow light, the VS1000. Shouts out to them. Those are good quality lights. You see it's knocking out this 4x4. I might have to drop it a little lower, but that'll probably be it. Gotta get it a little bit closer to the plants, or I could just make sure it's on max, because it ain't even on max yet. I think that's only 50%. We about ready to turn that up. Matter of fact. Yeah. There you go.